Hello everyone, my name is Alex. This is an episode of the course How to Learn Java Within 50 Days. Link to the full playlist is in the description below. In this episode specifically, I'm going to cover scanners. Now what a scanner is, you can use it for a lot of different things. In this episode, we are going to talk about the using it for input, like typing things in the console here and storing things inside a program and maybe and printing them out back to you later on in the program. So let's just start right off. In order to obtain the scanner and use it, you can't just create a scanner straight off because you're going to need to import something. Now, what an import is you import things from a library, and this library is basically a big set of folders storing other classes that you can use for your own program for your own advantage. Um, and you basically just show Java the path to that library when you import things. And the way we import is we go up here and we type in import, and now the scanner is located in the java.util library. So java.util and then .scanner for the scanner. So that's how we import the scanner now. Um, and now back in here, we can now create the scanner because Java knows where the scanner is. He is now located, or she, whatever Java is, but Java has now located the scanner, and we can now go ahead and use it in our program. Now, we're going to create an object out of this scanner, and an object again is basically it's basically you create an object out of a class, and the object you can use in your program for more things. So just like with any other thing, we're going to start off with scanner because we want to create a scanner. That's what we're going to create. So that we can have something that stores our information, that we can type into our console and give Java instructions in here maybe make some cool small games, etc. Now scanner, we're going to name the scanner, just like with the string, for example. I'm going to name the scanner scanner, then an equal sign. But it's not like with a string, for example, you type in double quotes or anything. It's actually, we got a new scanner here. So we could just put a semicolon so you understand this better, but just, and then we can define it on a new row here. But for explanation purposes, I'm just going to go straight off and define it on the same row here. The scanner equals to new scanner. And now what this does is that it tells Java that we're creating a new scanner here. Here we're creating a new scanner. This is creating a new scanner, these two rows. But that will be set to null. Basically means nothing. It will be set to nothing. Null in Java is nothing. That means just it's nothing. It's like thin air. Well, thin air is actually thin air, but you know, you know what I mean. And it's equal to new scanner, and then so it's basically this scanner. They're creating a new scanner for that scanner here. Creating a new scanner. They're going to give it a few instructions in here. There's actually only one instruction, and that's system.in. That's an input stream object that is located in the system, and we use it to give Java instructions. That's like we got the system.out, and if you see here, system, for example, for the system.out a print line, we got the system out. That's a print stream, so we can actually print things out. But this is the input that will give us that makes us able to type things in here and give our program instructions while running the program. So just gonna end it like that, now with an M, with a semicolon. And then we're gonna go down a few rows here. And what we're gonna create in this episode specifically here is a program that asks for your name and then will say, hello, your name. So I'm going to start up with the structure of the program. That's going to be system out of print line. We want the program to say hello or welcome. Welcome to this game. exclamation mark. System.out.println, we're going to get a second row. Now remember that this scanner is just created. It doesn't affect the how the game looks so far at all, or the program. It's just going to be there so we can use it later on or in a second. Uh, then we want to type maybe um, my name is John, exclamation mark. What is your name? Question mark. Maybe it looks better with a dot here. My name is John. What's your name? And then we want the game to ask you for your name, and we want the game to store our name in the program. And the way we can do this is that we can create a new string in here, and we're going to call it name. Now, when we're setting it equal to something, we're not going to set it equal to double quotes or anything. We're actually going to set it equal to whatever the user types in, because now whenever we do this, we want the game or the program to wait for our special instructions. So we're going to type in scanner dot next line, and this will give us a string, basically a string of text. So whatever we typed in here, this object or this method here that's from the scanner.nextLine, or the scanner here, the next line method, will give us the name as a string, a form of a string. So whatever we type in here after all this stuff here, so when this happens, it's now going to be stored in the name variable. Then after that, we want the program to welcome us. So system.out.println. That's a very nice name. And then I'm just going to do blank space here, because then we're going to combine two different strings. So we're creating a string here, inside here, and then we're going to use this name. So we do plus name. So that's really simple, actually. Everything we have to do. That's a very nice name, plus whatever you typed in there. So maybe your name is Eric. That's a very nice name, Eric. Or my name is Alex. That's a very nice name, Alex. And we can do another plus here, and we can do an exclamation mark maybe to make him sound a bit more happy. Maybe. Oh, just deleted that. There we go. So when I run this now, you're going to see it says, "Welcome to this game. My name is John. What is your name?" My name is... No, we can't type that because that's going to look really strange. Just Alex. That's a very nice name, Alex. Or that's a very name. That's a very nice name, Alex. Thank you. That's how it was supposed to be. Like Eric. That's a very nice name, Eric. Etc. 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 But to give the user a few more instructions, so it doesn't type in like, my name is Eric. That's a very nice name, my name is Eric. That doesn't really work out. So you want to give him some more instructions. The way we do this, if you remember from the early episodes of this course, if you have been following this long, we can actually use a system out of print here, normal print. We can type in my name is ... like that. Or actually remove the dots like that. My name is. Because what this allows us to do is that when we do a print here, whatever we do on the next row will, or on whatever we do after this, will be stored on the same row. So you won't move it down to a new row. This name here will still be on the same row. My name is Alex. That's a very nice name, Alex. And we can even do... No, that's going to be hard. Yeah, but that's good enough. My name is Alex. That's a very nice name, Alex. Thank you, program. That's very nice of you. So that's how you create scanners in Java and how you can use them really simply. If you're following this series along as a course, in the next episode we are going to talk about randomizing numbers. And also one more thing about this, we could actually have this is set to an integer here, and we could do next int, and there's things for I think double, double, etc., etc., etc. So we can do double name, if I can spell, yeah, and we can do different kinds of things. Now I'm going to use the integer, for example. Now it has to be an integer, it has to be a number. So if I type in letters here, like Alex, we're going to get a whole ton of errors here, a whole lot of errors. And but if I actually type in numbers here, like for 424, that's a very nice name, 424. We can still type in numbers even if it's a string. So just do next line, and unless it's for a calculator or something that you're making, we're gonna talk about those things later. Did I do something wrong? Scanner string. You didn't see that. There we go. Um, but that's how you use the scanner. In the next tutorial again, or episode again, we are going to talk about random numbers, creating a random number generator, and we're going to move into a bit more interesting stuff. But thank you all for watching. Link to donations and my Twitter will be in the description below. Please subscribe and like this video and comment if you would like to. And I will see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.